Mr. S. Prabakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India and Senior Advocate, to felicitate the budding lawyers.
The Honorable Mr. Justice B. Bharatidasan, Judge High Court of Madras, my esteemed friend Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Mr. J. Ravindran, Additional Advocate General, my respected senior Mr. R. Vidudalai, Senior Advocate, Member of this Council, Madam Priscilla Pandian, Mr. Sri Muruga, Member Enrollment Committee, my esteemed friend Mr. K. Balu, Chairman Enrollment Committee, Mr. Jyotimani, the person who has moved the enrollment oath, and respected Mr. Chandrasekhar, Vijikandan, Mayal Raj Permal, and the Secretary Mr. Rajkumar, and Assistant Secretary Grita Sidhir Kumar, the respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, you have taken a oath. Now you become members of this Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. What is your responsibility after enrolled as an advocate? In one angle, that there are many number of good lawyers, because I have been sensitized for past 5 years. Nowadays, yearly nearly 5,000 to 6,000 lawyers are enrolling, particularly in Tamil Nadu. In one side, very extremely good lawyers are enrolling. On the other hand, that as far as my concern, I am not satisfied with the attitude of particularly the person, those who are enrolling and after becoming a lawyer. What is the reason for that? Whether they are aware what is the profession, what is the responsibility they are taking on their oath. I do not know whether they are not able to understand even till now. Many number of women lawyers today, they are enrolled. Vidudalai sir said just 5 days back, on 4th, nearly 1,100, today is 1,000. So this is the situation today. When we discussed, myself and Justice Bharatidasan, we have discussed, many number of lawyers, those who have completed the engineering and MS and master of technology courses, and they are coming to this field. There are a lot of competition, but at the same time there are many gates are open to practice. But what you should do, you have to maintain the dignity of the profession first. Your responsibility, not just like that, you will be enrolled tomorrow, you can go and argue the case, it's not correct. Just the senior advocate Mr. Vidudalai is rightly pointed out. You have to choose your good senior lawyers, and you have to train them. You just go and train from them, and what is the system we have to follow. Then only you know what is the court. You have to fight for the justice. You have to defend the parties. You have to raise your voice of democracy. There are many number of issues in the society. Who is the responsibility person? The responsible person is the members of the bar. That is particularly a lawyer is the responsibility in the society. You are not only going to argue before the court, even arguing before the parliament also. I do not know how many of them you are going to be a judge of tomorrow in this Madras High Court and other district courts in the Supreme Court. There are many persons having a lot of chances. But you should thorough in the subjects. How it could be. Without hard work, definitely nobody has come in this level. So, your parents has given a good educations to you. Now today you have been enrolled as a lawyer. it is a dream of your parents. Almost more than 50-70% from the rural areas. From the rural areas, you have become a lawyer today. So what I have been trying to say, you know your responsibility, you act upon. Otherwise, it will be a futile exercise. Not only that, you should not leave the profession and go. Many of them, just I am saying, because when I was enrolled in there 1990, just nearly 90% have been enrolled. Today, nearly thousands are enrolling. Out of 90, how much we are in the profession? Only 250. That's all. I do not know where they have gone. Quite often I am seeing the women lawyers particularly. Today, very more than 400, 500 a year. And some of them, quite some time later, they all disappear. Don't do that. There will be a lot of struggle in your profession, struggle in your family life, but you should continue in this profession. You should hard work. For all the members of the bar, I am telling. And without hard work, you can't do anything. Now, don't see money at least for 3 years. We didn't get any money from my seniors in the year 1990. I have seen 100 rupees in the year 1993. That is the situation. Now we are running lot and lots, that's different. But you have to build up a structure. You have to build up what is the profession. First, you have to respect the seniors. You have to respect the court. You have to respect the judges. Don't fight with the judges, it's no use at all. Many of the lawyers I have seen, even the last occasions, we suspended more than 50 lawyers in Punjab and Haryana. They are all fighting throughout the country here and there. All the judges, they are fighting. The judges said what your people are doing. Then we have no other option. We have they initiated disciplinary action against them. We have been removed. So why I am saying this, that is not your job. You can fight before the court in legal. You can raise the voice only for the legal points. You can show the underserved judgments. How you attack the judge? You attack the judge by showing the judgments. By showing that this is the order. This court has passed this order. Please kindly pause this order. That you can say. Not by way of stumbling block or scolding any judge. These are all not a method. But many of the peoples are doing good. Some people are very excellent knowledge. I have been seeing many number of young lawyers are really, they are extremely good. Just if I say one word, they are taking 10 judgments. So like this, the people are training from the college itself. There are national law schools, very excellent national law schools. Somewhere, as far as the government law college is concerned, we are visiting the number of government law colleges concerned. I am not happy with that. Many of them, the shortage of faculties, they are giving some reasons, but they have to develop. That's what I am telling. We are conducting in classes. That's what, after seeing this, when we went there, even in the School of Excellency, the 200 the students are going on strike. What they said, I didn't get the mark. The faculties are committed a mistake. Then we went, the vice chancellor called us, then immediately we went, and then I called, yes, how many percent, 185%, yes, please come and sit. Take the papers which you have written. As one of the faculties, please come here. Then I asked one by one question, what is your answer, what you did it. What is the question, what is your answer. So it is irrelevant which way I have written, and then they are going for strike. Is it not the way? Then immediately I asked, what is your problem? His father is a lawyer. I asked that fellow, that says, sir, I am not able to understand English, sir. That they said and he is crying. So I told him, Mr. Amalraj, please, we have to conduct the classes, daily training classes. The past 3 years, I think that we are conducting a number of classes in the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. And some of the organizations are all coming and conducting the classes. Don't waste your time. We are here ready to help through the legal profession. Whatever you require, we are helping you. Please kindly come and attend the classes. Whenever the Bar Council is announcing the classes of any legal issues, there are a number of the committees we have. Please kindly attend and develop your knowledge. Then only you can build up your profession. Don't worry about all money and all. Money will come later point. First, you know the subject, then you are all number one in the country. So therefore, I wish you all success in your entire in the field of law, and I request you, please kindly, they maintain the dignity and decorum of the institution. Thank you very much.
Senior Advocate Prabakaran has given you the proper guidance and roles and responsibility of an advocate, and we hope that you all will follow.